Hello everyone, my name is Aditi and I am from Jharkhand. I have completed my bachelor degree with the branch of computer science and engineering in the year of 2024. After that, I was struggling a lot for finding jobs and I have tried many platforms such as Naukri, Indeed and everywhere, but I didn't get on any opportunities from anywhere because I was totally freshers, recently graduated. So after that, I knew about Evisions. One of my friends suggested me about Evisions and I joined the Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd internship programs where I have carried 6 months of working experience. Their teaching faculties and mentors, everyone is very supportive to us, and they clear each and every topics very clearly. And after that, they schedule for an interview, and like after selecting on interview, after selecting to the interview parts, they will place us, and I got placed in ARTECH, which is located in Bangalore, and I got the salary package which is 2.83 LPA, and as I have carried 6 months of working experience, so I'm really very satisfied with this, and I would like to say thanks to Evision support teams, placement teams, and after that to my faculty members, they teach us very clearly each and everything, they clear very well manner, and that's all about me. Thank you very much, Evisions, for this such a wonderful opportunities.